Yes, welcome to my channel, Keti Gadgets Uganda. Today we are unveiling the Tecno Pop 8 and the Tecno Pop 9. What is the difference? What phone would you buy if you are to buy a good cheap budget phone from Tecno? These are the two models that I would want you to look at. I'll be walking you through, I'll be reviewing their properties. But the main difference is, as you can see, the Pop 9 comes with 2 diagonal cameras and the Pop 8 comes with 3 cameras. It's like the iPhone, so they try to use the iPhone design. They come in 2 models. There's the 128GB storage model and the 64GB storage model. They all come with a 6GB RAM. They all come with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. They have 5000 amps battery. The rear cameras, you can see on the Pop 9, they're diagonal. On these ones, they try to make like a triangle on the Pop 8, but they all carry a 13 megapixel. Okay, they have a 13 megapixel. And then on the front, you have one single camera for the front, and it is a 8 megapixel camera. Yeah, on the Pop 9 and still on the Pop 8. They have both the side fingerprint. Okay, they have both the side fingerprint. You can see. But when you look at the refresh rate, I think the Pop 8 still does the work. It's still a very good phone. They're still about the same inches. You can see. They're still the same inches. They have 2 SIM cards also. They have 2 SIM cards. They're 6.6 inches screen size. 6.6 inches screen size. Okay, 6.6 inches, and this one is 6.67. So there's no slightly big difference. You can see it has a Type-C charging also. That is very important because in fact all the phones now come with Type-C charging. Those are the most important features that these all carry. Okay, so they have dual speakers. This is 6.6 for the Tecno Pop 8, and then there is a 5000 amps battery. There is a 13 amps megapixel. There's a 13 megapixel for the camera. Yeah. Same with Pop 9. Okay. It comes with a 6.67 inches screen size. It has 4.5G network. That is not important. It can connect to 4G or 5G, right? It comes with a side fingerprint. It has only a diagonal camera. You can see. So it has a side fingerprint. 5000 amps battery. 64GB storage, but you can still get it in 128GB storage with 6GB RAM. The rear camera has 13 megapixel, and then the front camera has 8 megapixel. It supports Wi-Fi. That is basically it. Yeah, and they're budget friendly. These phones go under $100 budget, so they are good if you're tight on your budget and you want a good phone. I would sure recommend the Tecno Pop 9, or you can take the Tecno Pop 8. Okay, remember to give me a like, subscribe and follow, and if you want to order, the number is on WhatsApp. It is in the description. They can be delivered all around Uganda. All right.